I want to make this my ringtone.
You know, I'm gonna call
this.
you. I'm gonna call you in the middle of class just to hear that voice.
I want to make this my new ringtone now.
Garrett,
Alright.
This is
Alright, I downloaded it. Hold on, I gotta figure out how to set it as my ringtone.
Okay. Garrett,
How do I set this as my ringtone?
I don't fucking know.
Well, come on, Ryan. Aren't you supposed to know all this crap?
I don't speak balls and ease.
What?
Yeah.
Balls and knees. Gotcha.
Yep. I think I have a better thing to set as your ringtone.
What is it?
You'll see. I'm going to send it to you.
Okay, I'm gonna go to Ryan first. I'm gonna make that his ringtone. If I can find it. There we go.
Okay, hold up. No, this is going to be my ringtone. Oh, no, I don't. I do not want to send that to Mom.
Okay, how do I change the ringtone? Hold on.
Paste. There. Make sure Eric hears this.
What is it?
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, it's a link. Oh no.
Never click links from Ryan.
Oh! 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 Oh, it's a... It's a star.
I want that.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay. I can't download that one. But... I would.
Just go and...
No.
Just set
There's
it
no
as my
doubt.
ringtone. I want that.
There's...
I'll set it as your ringtone if you want. I can do that. I think I have...
sound a notification. Hold on. Let's see. Ringtone. Shoot. How do I change it? I want to change it
Set.
to...
Okay, actually, I have to give up the computer though. So.
What? Hold on. Hold on. There's another one. There was another one. Shoot. It's gone. Yeah, this one's not as good.
Preparing the Krabby Patty.
All right, this is gonna be our anthem. All right, ready up. You're on. Wait, which?
What are we doing?
I'm on my 5.7s.
Okay, 5.7. We're doing arcade, right?
Do you want to do realistic then? Since
I don't
Eric's not.
care.
Oh, yeah, I want to do realistic.
Okay.
Alright, do you want me to bring my Panzer Befehlswagen? Wagon? Or my Panzer Churchill?
Turn that off real quick.
Sounds like a lot of hoopla to make over.
Alright, I'm gonna start the battle. Okay.
Okay.
Da 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 da. Alright, I gotta turn the back on. It's gotta go back on.
Little Krabby Patty, right? Wrong.
Have I ever said I hate you?
I can't really hear you right now over everything. Alright, I'm a little dizzy now. but only a little bit.
I hate you.
I love the memes.
I did this before.
Hold on, I think you'll like this song though. I think you'll like this song. Not this one. This is a freaking ad because it's freaking stupid and freaking freak. Should I take? What should I take? Panzerbefehlswagen?
Sure.
Okay.
Turn off the goddamn music. We're playing.
No, it's my jam.
Get